Yeah, means it is or this is. We use it to explain something. Names, jobs, or the name of an object. When you talk to someone, it's used. I am a student, it's not an 학생이에요. My friend is a doctor, 내 친구는 의사예요. If there's a final sound, use 이에요. If there's no final sound, use 예요. Yeah, don't get confused. If there's a final sound, it's 예요. If there's no final sound, it's 예요. It's a bag is 가방이에요. That's correct. It's a rose is 장미예요. That's correct. What's a final sound? Let's find out together. Check has a final sound, so it's 예요. 하나나 has none, so it's 예요. Don't get confused. There's a final sound, it's 예요. If there's no final sound, it's 예요. Don't get confused. If there's a final sound, it's 예요. If there's no final sound, it's 예요. Now you know 예요, so well. Singing makes learning so easy.
감사합니다.